Okay guys, got a 2005 Jeep here. I just wanted to show you a quick video on how to check the coil pack. We got a misfire cylinder code on 2, 4, 5, and 6, not 1 and 3. So all I did is I took out the 13mm bolts, there's 4 of them on the coil pack, and then the clip in the far back and took it off. And so now we're just going to grab a random spark plug here and just poke it in the one you want to test. We'll test number 1. And then we're just going to grab a pair of jumper cables just to ground that. You can hold it on there, but it's best just to ground it. So we'll ground it there, and then we're just going to take the other end and ground the plug. The key is in the console, if you would. And now we're just going to check and see if we get a spark when it's cranked over. Yep. All right. And there you go, we got a spark. So now you can just take your time, and again, we're just using one side of the battery, just the ground, and take your time and just test every single one. And that's how you can test the coil on these Jeeps. So in this case, we already tested them, they're all good. We're going to change the spark plugs. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.